Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, you're gonna learn how to edit thumbnails. Search Canva in Google. Then, search YouTube thumbnail. You can freely choose your template. Upload your photo in Canva. Adjust the filter of the photo to be enhanced. In Elements, search Rectangle. Then put text on top of it, just like what I do. Then search Triangles in the Elements. Then adjust its transparency. You can add additional elements. Finally, download it. Here's the location of your file downloaded. There you have it. Now if you learn how to edit your thumbnail, you can check other of my video tutorials or vlogs in my channel. So thanks for watching.